Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Money and Finance. I have a new video for you today. We'll discuss about digital marketing, and we'll try to address the question, how does digital marketing work? If you've ever wondered what digital marketing is built of, this is your chance to learn the fundamentals of digital marketing. Before I begin, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel, so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. To understand how digital marketing works, we must first define what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is a type of marketing that uses the internet to promote and sell products or services. Digital marketing is also the practice of reaching out to your target audience, using various online marketing channels, like search engines, social media networks, and email. You may use digital marketing to establish your brand, such as making money online in finance, and locate individuals who are interested in your services, communicate with them, and build trust. To be used efficiently through an online campaign marketing, digital marketing has several stages. The most significant are website marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, PPC advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, video marketing, and affiliate marketing. To completely appreciate the concept of how digital marketing works, consider how the various digital marketing stages interact to produce a campaign's overall package. Assume you have a Shopify store that you want to promote online in order to get people to purchase your products. You are aware that your potential clients can be found all over the internet, and you are aware that digital marketing is the way to go. To attract customers to your Shopify store, you must first develop a strategy for reaching out to them and promoting your brand. What are your options? We will take advantage of digital marketing packages and resources. The first step is to build a website to exhibit your brand, products, and services, which you already have, because Shopify is a website where you can promote your items and services. Shopify has all of the characteristics of an excellent website. It is fast, mobile-friendly, simple to use, and provides a positive user experience. Your Shopify store is the hub of all digital marketing initiatives, and the platform through which you present your brand to the internet world. The next step is to begin stocking your Shopify store with quality products or services. Marketing in the digital age is done through the utilization of internet material. Blog posts, videos, photos, and podcasts are some of the content kinds you can employ to capture the attention of your audience and develop interest in your company. Now that you have stocked your store with high-quality goods and services, you must consider how you will discover your audience's concerns and provide them with meaningful and relevant products to meet their demands. The following item you must concentrate on is search engine optimization. SEO will assist your website in ranking higher in search results and reaching the billions of individuals that use search engines every day. You will ensure that your store is relevant to what users seek, and that search engines can access and understand your website throughout this stage. You will need to employ several SEO strategies to persuade ranking algorithms that your website deserves to appear near the top of search results for terms related to your business. SEO is the ideal type of online marketing since it can get you highly focused visitors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without cost, but it takes time to work. So, while you wait for SEO to function, you can experiment with alternative channels, such as PPC advertising. PPC advertising allows you to display your adverts at the top of Google search results, and on hundreds of websites that are part of the Google advertising network. You will pay a fee to the advertising platform every time someone clicks on an ad and visits your website. Your advertising will be visible to users who are actively searching for information connected to your offers, rather than to all users. The following item on your list is social media marketing. To further broaden your reach, you must have a presence in the same locations where your potential clients congregate, which is where social networks come into play. Websites with billions of active users, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, may be interested in your brand. You may utilize these platforms' advertising features to segment their users based on their location, interests, and demographics, and then target them with image and video adverts. You can begin connecting with your audience as your audience increases and more people visit your Shopify business. Email marketing is the finest avenue for this task. Email is the most popular form of communication and a highly effective sales channel. You can keep your audience engaged and nurture them until they become new customers by sending carefully produced email newsletters. Video marketing should be next on your list. Many people are looking to YouTube, TikTok, and other video platforms before making a purchasing decision. You may capitalize on this by creating wonderful video that assist people in solving an issue, making a decision, or simply having fun. Aside from being an excellent sales channel, video marketing is one of the most effective ways to raise brand awareness and cultivate a community of devoted followers. Affiliate marketing is the last but not least channel you may use. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest kinds of marketing, and it has developed significantly since the advent of the Internet. It works in a straightforward manner. You will pay others a commission for promoting your products on their website and to their audience. This implies more revenue for you, while your associates get a percentage on each sale. Affiliate marketing is not only a terrific strategy to generate revenue, but affiliates can also serve as the best brand ambassadors. You can now use your digital analytics to continue optimizing your marketing. With the help of digital marketing, you can watch your business grow by making smart decisions and exercising patience. If you learned anything from this video, please share it with a friend. Press the like button, and subscribe below if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and remember, we're in this game to win.